Hello students, here we reached our last topic of data representation, that is computer codes. Okay, so as we all know that computer understands zeros and ones, and even it understands alphabets. Everything will be converted into binary format, right? And even computer is used to recognize or even handles numeric data, and most often it handles alphanumeric data. That means combination of alphabets along with the numbers. Okay, that is A to Z and 0 to 9, and even special characters like plus, minus, multiplication symbol, division, etc. Okay, so the representation of such data internally requires a form which is useful to the system. That means computers not only understand zeros and ones, it also handles alphanumeric, numeric and special characters like plus, minus and other exclamatory symbols like that. Okay, so in order to represent those data in our computer system efficiently, then we come up with a concept called computer codes. Okay, so mainly computer codes are used to represent the data of all the type. Okay, so many coding schemes have been developed over the years, but in this we were discussing some of the coding techniques, that is binary coded decimal, that is BCD, and EBCDIC, that is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. So these all abbreviations are very important for your examination, and this question will be important for 5 marks. Okay, so you will be getting a question like, what is computer code? Explain. Okay, explain the type of techniques or technologies of coding techniques. Okay, so BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal, EBCDIC is nothing but extended binary coded decimal interchange code, and ASCII, this is very important. ASCII code is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and XS3. Okay, so this is also known as XS3. So these are some of the techniques which is used to represent the computer codes. So now we'll see one by one. So BCD, what is BCD? That is binary coded decimal. So in BCD or binary coded decimal, this is most commonly used and widely used technique. So in this, each digit of a decimal number is independently converted to 4-bit binary number, that is 8421 format. So I already told you about 8421 format. For example, now I want to represent 4, then 8421 format. For that, 4 is nothing but 0100, right? So like that, each independent decimal number is converted into its equivalent 4 digits number. Okay, so this is regarding BCD, that is binary coded decimal. So you can see the table here. So 0 is represented what? 8421 format consider madidre 4 zeros. 1 will be represented as 0001, 2 as 0010, 3 as 0011, 4 as 0100, 5 as 0101, and 6 as 0110. For example, 8421 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, 8421 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 6 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 4 ಮತ್ತು 2ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 1 ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2. Okay, so that 0110. How to represent 7? 0111. And for 8, like this. Okay, for 9, 8 and 1. That is regarding BCD, binary coded decimal. For example, now I want to convert 47 into BCD. So BCD is different and pure binary number is different. How to represent this 47 in binary? For example, I want to take 8421, then 16, 32, then 64. So 32 is enough for compute 47. So 32. So 32 plus 8 becomes what? 40. So I cannot take 32 plus 16. So then that becomes 48. So this is higher than the actual number. So that I need to take 32 plus 8. That becomes 40. Then 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 2, 46. And 1 with 47. So this is regarding pure binary number. Okay, but BCD is different from pure binary. How to represent this 47 in BCD? So as I told, each number must be independently represented. Then, so how 4 can be represented in BCD? 8421 format 0100. And how 7 can be represented? 8421 format, that is 0111. Okay, so you can take a resultant as 01000111. So you can see here this pure binary is different and BCD value is different. Okay, so that BCD is nothing but we are going to represent each decimal number independently with the help of 8421 format. Okay, so this is regarding BCD. Next, what is EBCDIC? That is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. So here BCD is limited to only for 64 character. So up to this value I can take. Okay, so but when I want to represent upper values, lower values like capital letters, small letters and any other values, then this BCD is not sufficient because it can handle only 64 different characters. Okay, but with the help of EBCDIC extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Okay, so with the help of this I can represent up to 256 character. 256 character can be represented with the help of EBCDIC. Okay, so it is an 8-bit code, so it is divided into 4 bits group. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 8 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 8421 ಆ ಥರ 2 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 8 ಕೋಡ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಈಚ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 1 hexadecimal digit. ಆಯಿತಾ. ದ hexadecimal ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? memory dumped by the computer system that uses this EBCDIC format. So you can see the table here. Okay, so no need to remember all these values, it just go through with this table. So here we have characters 0 to 9 and ABCD up to Z. So zone bits and digits. So we have 2 parts, we have 8 digits, that is 4 bits of one group, another 4 bits of another group. First group is used to represent zone bits and another 4 bits used to represent the digit. Okay, so with the help of this table you can represent any given values. So you can see here GOD, God, in EBCDIC format, that is G can be represented what? 11000111. Okay, in EBCDIC notation. So binary digit is, so we have to connect all these 3 values, that is 11000111, and for and for O we have 11010110, and for D we have 11000100. Okay, so just go through this table, no need to remember the values. Okay, so this is regarding EBCDIC. In order to represent more number of code, that is up to 256 character we can represent here. So these type of EBCDIC format is mainly used in the mainframe computer system, that is to represent more higher values. So next format is ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is very important and most commonly used type of code representation. Okay, so this is most widely used alphanumeric code, that is it can have both alphabets and numerals, and this is most used in microcomputers and mini computers, and even in many mainframe computers too. Okay, so this type of code allows the manufacturer of various computer to have standard codes. Okay, so it's going to represent each value as a standard. So ASCII format is nothing but it's a standard. It's going to represent each standard for their hardware. So it mainly used in data communication. So you can see the table here. Every letter has its standards. Okay, so you can see here up to 127 character you can go through this table. Okay, so in this ASCII has two types, that is ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. ASCII 7 is a 8-bit code, and so it has 2 to the power of 7. So for example, if any code system has any number like that, if it BCD is 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power of 4 in the sense 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, and 8 2 is a 16. Like that it's going to represent any values. So ASCII 7 is nothing but 7-bit code, so that it has 2 to the power of 7, that is 128 possible code groups. Okay, so it is more more enough to represent all the standard keyboard character. And 2 to the power of 8, ASCII 8 is nothing but 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so it's going to represent some numbers, and you can see here ASCII 8 code zone along with a digit. So 8 is nothing but it's going to group into two types, two parts of each 4 values. Okay, so this is regarding ASCII. What is XS3? So last type of code representation is XS3. This is also known as XS3. Okay, so this is non-weighted code. Non-weighted code in the sense there is no powers. Okay, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8 ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. So this is regarding non-weighted code, mainly used to express the decimal numbers. Okay, XS3 is mainly used to represent the decimal numbers, and XS3 code is derived from fact that each binary code is corresponding to BCD code plus 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ 4 ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 0 1 1. 4 to 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 to 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 + 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ XS3 code. Okay, so what is non-weighted code? Code that are not positionally weighted, that is each position within the binary number is not assigned to fixed value. Okay, so this is regarding XS3 code. Then how to compute XS3 code? The XS3 code for a given decimal number is determined by adding 3 to the each decimal digit. Okay, then it's going to replace each digit of a newly found decimal number by its 4-bit binary equivalent. So you can see here we have a binary number 0. So how to represent this 0 with BCD number, that is 8421 format, 4 numbers, so that 0 0 0 0. Okay, so BCD ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 3 + 1 1. ಓಕೆನಾ, 8421 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 + 1 ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 1. Then we need to perform addition. So 0 0 0 0 along with 1 1. So you can see here 0 0 0 0. So this is in order to represent 0. So I need to add 3 for this 0. So 0 + 1 becomes what? 1. 0 + 1 becomes 1. 0 0. So this is how 0 can be represented with XS3 format. Okay. So you can see here how to represent this 1 with BCD 0 0 1, and we need to add 1 1 so that it becomes 0 1 0 0. Okay, up to 0 to 9 we can compute XS3 values for a given decimal numbers. So How to represent? Here we have a excess3 representation of decimal number 4. Okay, first 3 is added to 4 in order to get 7, and then binary equivalent of 7 is 0 111, which forms the excess3 equivalent. So if we'll see one example in order to represent excess3 format. For example, find excess3 representation for decimal number 25. First I need to add 3 with 2, so then that becomes how much? 5. 3 plus 2 becomes 5, and 3 plus 5 becomes 8. So that first I need to represent 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, so how 5 can be represented in binary format? 0 1 0 1. So this forms the equivalent excess3. Then how to represent 5? I need to add 3 with 5, then this becomes 8. How to represent this 8? 1 0 0. Okay, then together how to represent this 25? 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this is how we are going to represent any given value with along with the excess3 code, so that 25 can be represented as 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so it's all about computer codes, and this question is very important for your 5 marks question. Okay, so excess3, first we have BCD, binary coded decimal, then we have extended binary coded decimal interchange code, then we have ASCII code, and we have excess3 code. So these all types are important. Thank you. And we are done with second chapter called data representation. So go through all the examples, conversions, and work out all the problems. Then I will send you these questions soon, so this will be helpful for your examination. So better you go through all the examples, programs, and even problems. Okay, thank you.